Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Canva application. So let's get started without further ado. Open your Canva application and then you'll come across this kind of an interface. You can continue logging in with your email account, or if you want to continue some other way, tap on continue another way. Then it'll display all of the available options you can log into your Canva account with. To log into your account with Apple, select the Apple option. You can also select your Google account, Facebook account, Microsoft, or any other accounts you want to sign in with. In today's video, I'm gonna tap on the continue with email option. It'll then take you to the next page where you'll need to type in your email in the text box. Enter the valid email address and tap on the continue button. It'll then ask you to enter a code sent to you via the email that you provided. Simply go ahead and open the email inbox and you'll receive an email from Canva with a code. Open up the email and copy the code like you normally do and get back to Canva app. Now enter the code or paste it in and then it'll sign you in inside the Canva account. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.